Will Sekhukhune United cause an upset against Mamelodi Sundowns in tomorrow's fixture, the Nedbank Cup quarter-final match that is being played on Friday, the 28th of March. Will Sekhukhune United defeat Mamelodi Sundowns? Right, that's the question that I'm posing, and we are previewing the match between Mamelodi Sundowns and Sekhukhune United. This is the only fixture that is the quarter-final fixture that is still left, and we know what is the cause because of the issues involving Royal AM and the drama surrounding Royal AM and all of that. That's the reason why this is the only quarter-final match that is still left. So, do you think that Sekhukhune United will cause an upset against Mamelodi Sundowns? And of course, we know the winner between these two teams, the winner between Mamelodi Sundowns and Sekhukhune United, will face Kaizer Chiefs in the Nedbank Cup semi-finals. So let's get to it. Let's preview the match and look in terms of the teams coming to this match. Right, Mamelodi Sundowns will host Sekhukhune United in their Nedbank Cup quarter-final at the Lucas Moripe Stadium on Friday, the 28th of March. Kickoff time is 7 o'clock Central African time. We round up the numbers that will be a fascinating tie as Kaizer Chiefs await the victor in the semi-finals. As I've already stated, that the winner in this match will get to face Kaizer Chiefs in the semi-finals. Sekhukhune United have never beaten Sundowns before. They would make history if they were to claim this quarter-final tie. Hence, I'm posing the question that will Sekhukhune United rewrite history by beating Mamelodi Sundowns for the first time in their history? And we know currently the Sekhukhune United, it is under the new coach, the new management under Coach Eric Tinkler. As you know that they released Coach Elfonolo Siema. So will this be the time where Sekhukhune United gets to defeat Mamelodi Sundowns? No Sekhukhune player has scored more than a single goal against Sundowns. So what we are getting is that actually in terms of this tie, Mamelodi Sundowns have been so dominant against Sekhukhune United. It's just been one-sided. 5 players have been on the score sheet in the past. Keletso Maghalwa, Linda Mtambo, Chibuke Ohizu, Katlego Otladisa, and Jamie Webb. There has only ever been one own goal in games between the two sides, scored by Sekhukhune United defender Treza Yamba in the 3-0 defeat earlier this season. If you remember, earlier this season in the league, Mamelodi Sundowns defeated Sekhukhune United by 3-0. Sundowns have only ever been involved in a single draw in their 13 previous Nedbank quarterfinals. That was last year when they were held 1-1 by University of Pretoria but claimed the penalty shootout. As you know, last season Sundowns went on all the way to the finals only to lose to Orlando Pirates. In that final, it was played at Mbombela Stadium. Sekhukune's only other Nedbank Cup quarter-final tie was away at Chippa United in 2023. They won 2-1 thanks to goals from Elias Mukwana and Ohizu. And we know in 2023, Sekhukhune United, this is the season where Sekhukhune United went all the way to the Nedbank Cup final only to lose to Orlando Pirates by 2-1. Sundowns and Sekhukhune have already met twice in the league this season. Sundowns won 3-0 at home and 4-2 in the reverse fixture played on February the 26th. So you begin to see the dominance that Mamelodi Sundowns has over Sekhukhune United. Sundowns' biggest victory over Sekhukhune was the 3-0 success in the league earlier this season. Peter Shalule has the most goals in games between these two sides. The Sundowns striker has netted 4 times but did not find the back of the net in the 2 league games this campaign. New Sekhukhune coach Eric Tinkler has won 4 of his previous 23 meetings with Sundowns for his various clubs. He has also had 8 draws and 11 defeats in that time. Sundowns have won all 4 home fixtures against Sekhukhune United, scoring 9 goals and conceding 1 in the process. That's just domination on another level. The most goals in a single game between the two sides is 6 in the 4-2 win for Sundowns in the league last month, the 26th of February. Sundowns and Sekhukhune have met 8 times previously, all in the league since 2021-22 campaign. As you know, that Sekhukhune United they've not been that long in the Elite League, right? Sundowns have won 7 of those ties with 1 draw. Sundowns have advanced in 9 of their previous 13 Nedbank Cup quarterfinals, a 69% success rate. Sundowns have scored 18 goals in their 8 previous games against Sekhukhune, an average of 2.25 per game. Sekhukhune have 5 goals, which is 0.63 per game. Sundowns coach Miguel Cardoso has been in charge for 21 games since arriving at the club in December last year. He has won 16 of those to go with 2 draws and 3 defeats. So now, if you look at all this, now you look at all these stats coming to this match. Do you think this will be the day where Sekhukhune United turn the tables of Mamelodi Sundowns, or do you think Mamelodi Sundowns will continue with their domination over Sekhukhune United? I personally do not see Sekhukhune United defeating Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe under Hlongwane Sema they stood a chance, but now that they're under Eric Tintler and all of that, because we've not seen much in terms of how Eric Tintler intends to play at Sekhukhune United. So I think Mamelodi Sundowns will emerge in this match victorious by 2-0. That's my prediction. What is your prediction? Tell me. Let's hear in the comment section below. Please remember to subscribe to the platform, the Total Football TV. Go now to the subscribe option and click on that. And remember to share and comment. Thank you very much guys for tuning in.